In this video, I am going to unbox AMD Ryzen 2400G CPU with built-in Vega 11 graphics. Precisely, it is a Ryzen 2400G APU. Let me open it. Here is the user guide. At this side, this is the APU. Powerful CPU with graphics. Two stickers, one for Ryzen CPU and another for Radeon Vega graphics. What's inside this box? The Rake Stealth fan, which is so good for cooling down this APU. Thermal paste is pre-applied on the backside of this heatsink, so you don't need to worry about the thermal paste. Here is a quick look at specifications. It's 4-core 8-threads APU with 11-core GPU. Base frequency 3.6 GHz and overclockable up to 3.9 GHz. Built on 14nm technology. Supported socket type is AM4 and unlocked means overclockable. This is a very good CPU for those who don't want to buy a dedicated graphics card, as it has built-in graphics. This APU is decent for gaming and editing too. You can gaming up to 1080p with a decent FPS. Obviously, you can go for this budget-friendly APU. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked, hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends.